Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed disk revision tutorial. In this session, we will cover everything you need to know about successfully revising your disk. Let's get started with the tools you will need. To begin, gather the following tools. 1. A precision screwdriver set, preferably with both Phillips and flathead options. 2. A soft cloth or microfiber cloth for cleaning. 3. Isopropyl alcohol for internal cleaning and maintenance. 4. A small vacuum or air duster to remove dust and debris. Now that we have the tools ready, let's move on to the first step, removing the disk from its housing. Carefully locate the screws securing the disk in place. Using your precision screwdriver, gently unscrew these fasteners. Remember to keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the disk out of its casing. Be cautious not to damage any connections. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. If you feel uncomfortable performing this yourself, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure your device is handled correctly. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Use your microfiber cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the disk surfaces. This helps eliminate dust and potential contaminants. For areas that are hard to reach, the air duster will be very effective. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any dust. After cleaning, inspect the disk for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it might be time for a repair. If you're unsure about the extent of the damage, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. This way, you can assess your options without any pressure. Now, let's put everything back together. Start by carefully placing the disk back into its housing, making sure all connections are aligned properly. Then, retrieve the screws and securely fasten them, but avoid over-tightening, as this can lead to further issues. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this on your own, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service ensures that your disk is handled professionally, right from your doorstep. Plus, with no calls and no travel required, it's a hassle-free solution. Finally, once everything is reassembled, it's a good idea to test the disk to ensure it's functioning properly. Power on your device and check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If everything seems to be running smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully completed a disk revision. In summary, performing a disk revision involves gathering the right tools, carefully disassembling the unit, cleaning the internal components, and reassembling everything correctly. Always remember that if you encounter any challenges, we are here to help with a professional diagnosis without obligation. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.